Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit the file which have been blocked by your company's IT. Right, let me show you what I mean. Let's say I've got this file which is in XLS format, and if I try to open it, I can see the content inside, but I can't modify anything. I can't edit it, I can't add, remove or do anything with it. This happens because of the protected view, and if you're working in a company, you can't modify this setting. Let me show you where this setting is. Basically, if you click on File, click on Options, then click on Trust Center, click on Trust Center setting, click on File Block Settings, and here you go. This is the setting. You can enable, disable, but this is my personal computer and not the company computer. I can modify this, but on the company computer you can't touch any of these settings. They are basically grayed out. So let me show you a trick how you can bypass this setting and modify the files which have been blocked by this file blocking setting here over here. What you need basically to open a blank Excel worksheet first, and then right click on any sheet and go to View Code. Make sure this immediate window is visible. If it's not, just click on View and click on Immediate Window, and this will appear. And then here you have to type application.startup path, and then in front of it you have to put the question mark and press enter. Now you will be displayed a location sorry about that. In your computer, you have to just copy this path and open your Explorer, paste the path there, press enter, and then create a folder inside this Excel start folder. Call it unblock or whatever. Go inside it, and now you can close your Excel and drop this blocked file inside this folder and open it. You can see now I can do whatever I want. Now it's fully editable and is bypassing the settings of the Trust Center. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and like and comment as well, and see you in the next one.